My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen e-Golf. This vehicle was done just under 59,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights. On the touchscreen we can access Bluetooth, vehicle status, navigation, CarNet, App Connect, air conditioning and images. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot. Just below the screen we have our AC, and the e-Golf also comes with 3 different driving modes to choose from. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.